Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for your future with Wealthfront, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start saving for your future with Wealthfront, visit the Wealthfront website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. After that, you'll need to provide some basic personal information. This includes your name, phone number, and address. Next, complete the financial questionnaire. This step helps Wealthfront understand your goals and risk tolerance. Select your financial goals, such as retirement, education, or buying a home. Once you finish the questionnaire, Wealthfront will suggest an investment plan. Review the proposed portfolio and make adjustments if necessary. Now, link your bank account to fund your investment. Wealthfront offers auto deposit options for setting up recurring contributions. Choose an amount that aligns with your budget and financial goals. You can start small, every little bit helps. Now, it's time to set your investment preferences. Wealthfront provides various investment strategies, including passive investing and tax loss harvesting. Once your preferences are set, confirm your investments. Wealthfront will manage and rebalance your portfolio automatically. Monitor your account regularly to track your growth. Wealthfront also offers financial planning tools for long-term goals. Utilize these tools to gain insights into your savings and investment strategies. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your plan as needed. By consistently saving and investing, you're building a secure financial future. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compound interest. Review your progress and make adjustments every few months. With Wealthfront, saving for your future is simple and efficient. That's how you can get started with Wealthfront to secure your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.